Greetings to all of you traders out there, wherever you are in the world. This AZZAM Karmaya from AFD Traders. AFD Traders is a team with professional traders and professional coder. In this video we will show you very profitable complete trading system using powerful indicators and show to you how to make it more profitable. This strategy is requested from our Discord member. And you can do the same by suggesting to us your own strategies. If you want to see more content like this and want to help us with YouTube algorithm, you can do by like, subscribe, and turn on notification to never miss new and better strategies. The strategy we are going to test have 3 free indicators. The first one is BB buy and sell. The second indicator is 200 EMA. Third one is QQE MT4 glass. This strategy can be used in all type of markets, stock, futures, forex, crypto. We will explain how these tools work and what setting to use for maximum profits. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video where we are going to code it and show more awesome tools on how to make this strategy even more profitable in a long period of time. For a long signal to be valid, the price must be above the 200 EMA. By signal, green histogram. Now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be under the recent lower low. And the risk to reward ratio will be 2. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid, the price must be below the 200 EMA. Sell signal. Red histogram. Now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be above the recent higher high. And the risk to reward ratio will be 2. Here we have all conditions. Here we have all conditions. Now it's time to code it to see what the win rate is. And we're finally done. Before showing you this strategy's result, we want to let you know that you can get the same code and settings for this strategy on our Discord community. Also on our Discord you can find technical analysis, important news, more videos, free signals, and all our coding strategies. Let's see the result. As we can see, the win rate is 35%. But we will change some settings to make this strategy more profitable. And there are many options you can try it. You will find the code of this strategy on the description below and try it yourself. What would you do to make this better? Let us know. In our Discord community you can find this strategy and all other strategies we coded in the past. You can also tell us to code your strategy and make it better and code it for you and all our community members. We will be so happy to help you and try our best to make you maximize your profits. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.